Story from tea time to breakfast time.
Myra, what's your choice for breakfast?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs?
Okay, if you don't want to eat dog, what?
Okay, no chola bhatura. Then aloo puri.
Aloo puri? No, pav bhaji please. Chole puri? So, today I'm going to show you some easy Sunday recipes which can make your day and keep your family also happy. Check it out. This is the batter which I had made from suji and rice flour and 1 cup of dahi. So all you need to take is 1 cup of suji, that is rava, and 1 cup of dahi, and then half cup of rice flour. So this is a smooth batter which is prepared, and you can make idlis, dosas, or you can add some vegetables to make appe, whatever you can make. See, I have made this super soft fluffy idlis in this idli mold.
Now for the next recipe, which is spicy idli 65, all we need to saute the vegetables again with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. To these fried vegetables, add your idlis to make it spicy idli 65.
Today, luckily on Sunday it's raining, so what better than a suji pancake? So in this I have taken suji and I have mixed 2 tablespoon of curd just to make this kind of batter, and I have put capsicum and onion and tomatoes chopped, and then at the same time, and I can make like 2 pancakes at one go, so nobody has to wait, right, for the second round. So super simple and super healthy and super tasty. And so here I go with one more Sunday breakfast recipe, very easy and tasty for the tummy. Yes, so I'm going to make vermicelli, which is 100% suji and no maida, which is mentioned on the packet. Yes, if you don't want to eat poha or something like that, and if you're really keen to eat suji, then this is a best option, very tasty and becomes really good in volume, right? So let us start. So I am sputtering some of the mustard seeds here. So my mustards are ready, they are sputtering beautifully. I'm going to add some my homegrown garden fresh curry pata, curry leaves. Wow, smells nice. Yes. Onto which I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped onions. Yes. No need of adding garlic. Onion will do the purpose. And if you want to skip onion, you also can skip onion. Just golden brown the onions. Yes, so my onions are fried, and now I'm going to add my chopped carrots. See, this is up to your own choice at what type of vegetables you want to add. I was not having beans and cabbage. If you want to add them, you also can add it as per your own choice. Then capsicum. This is 1 cup of capsicum. I'm going to fry this. It seems my vegetables are cooked now. The last I'm going to add my tomatoes. These I'm taking 1 large tomato. Now you can add salt as per your taste, strictly as per your taste. So I am here adding 2.5 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now I'm going to add something which is my secret masala. Yes, it's nothing but yes, it's a pav bhaji masala. Yes, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pav bhaji masala. It does wonders. Going to mix it properly. Now my veggies are ready. Don't they look beautiful? Yes. Onto this I'm going to add 1 cup of roasted vermicelli. Since it's roasted, so I don't need to roast it further. Just mix it properly. And if you're taking 1 cup of vermicelli, then you need to add 3 cups of water. So the ratio is 1/3 always. So depending upon your own quantity, you can, adjust. I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Let it just have a boil for like about 5 to 7 minutes. So this roasted vermicelli is all set, and we can garnish it with fresh coriander. Yes. And serve it piping hot.